Hello everyone! Good afternoon! Hello guys! Hi! Ang gagawin natin ngayon is gagawa ako ng lunch ko. At saka, pangsikan vlog ko na to today. Thank you! So, let's go! I'll make my lunch first. Okay? So ang gagawin ko, ito is, ano tawag dito? Gardenia bread, tapos yung wheat bread yung ginamit ko kasi para hindi masyadong matamis. Ito, tapos mayroon akong cheese at saka ham. Ito yung gagawin kong sandwich. So, let's do it! Let's do it! So, una, lagyan natin siya ng butter para masarap. Gusto ko tong mga sandwich lalo na pag i-grill mo sa sa frying pan is so good. Nagme-melt kasi yung cheese pero now hindi ko na siya i-grill kasi I'm hungry na eh. Pero bago yan, naghugas muna ako ng kamay. Kanina pa ako naghugas dito. So, let's put a ham. Ito yung ham. And then, please put and then cheese. And then yung isa, cheese lang ilagay natin. Kasi gusto ko yung maraming cheese para cheesy ba. Yan. Tapos, itakip natin to pag ganun. Yan. See? It's very easy. Right? It's very easy, cheesy. Yan. Sa kabila natin yan para yan. So, that's my lunch for today. It's just mozzarella cheese, ham, and wet bread. It's so good. Wow. And then, baliktarin natin. And then, ikakat natin siya ng half. Kuha ko ng knife. Maganda din to pang like pag may mga bata kang nag-aaral, maganda rin to pang snacks nila ba, baon. Bili ka lang ng tinapay, cheese at saka ham. Saka yun na. So, tingnan nyo naman yung cheese. Wow! So good. Yummy. So, yun lang. Yan. So, yun na yung lunch ko, guys. Look at that. It's my lunch. So good. Thank you for watching our vlog, guys. Hanggang dito na lang. Until next time, thank you. Bye!